Hi there, this is just a little introduction to this channel because there are going to be a lot of videos appearing in here. What I'm aiming to do is to do a short video for each of the classic Greek constellations. So if you're in Australia, I'm sorry, I won't be looking at the southern constellations yet. These are the classic Greek northern constellations. And some of the northern constellations, like Camelopardalis, are not original Greek constellations and therefore will not be in this series. So they're all going to be shorts, less than a few minutes, but give you a little understanding of each constellation and where you can find it in the sky and when to see it, and if you can see it and what to use to see it, and some interesting objects that may be inside the constellations, such as the Messier objects. Well, I hope you enjoy them, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy. Thank you.